Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to another vloggy vlog. How is everybody doing on this beautiful day? Good, I hope. Good. It's President's Day, so most people don't even work today in the United States. It's a federal holiday, but I had to work. But it's a short day, a little over a half, but I'm pretty much over and done with. So right about now I'm gonna head home and just relax take it easy. Might hang out with some friends, probably some moto buddies, because lately it's all I've been doing is just hanging with moto friends. And just relax, perhaps work on some paper bikes, some vloggy vlogs, a couple of other things. But this is my second ride on the new Bridgestone tires, so we'll see how they are. So far so good, but I'd imagine the BQE is going to be wide open this afternoon since there's no school, which is a beautiful thing. School is closed, so all the students are relaxing and partying at home. So we're just cooking it a little bit. Just cooking it, just a tiny bit. Small little batch of the cook. Don't have a topic prepared for y'all today. Besides, just love your life. So easy to get carried away. Right now I could probably make myself cry on the spot like a little bitch, but I won't. I'll just enjoy it. I'll just enjoy it. Life moves pretty fast. If you don't slow down and take a look around once in a while, you'll miss it. What a quick, beautiful ride. I wish every Commute was like this. I mean, look at it. It's beautiful. Beautiful. So we'll slow down for a second because we're about to get off at the exit. That was a nice, easy, fun little cruise. No issues here. I love it. That Raptor, yo. Oh, it's an F-150. It's not even a Raptor. Whack. Here we go. I love it. I love it when the school is on vacation because the traffic is just light and welcoming. That was awkward. I thought that cop was fucking with me. Oh boy. Like whenever I see a cop, I just get quiet and silent. I'm so sorry. Anyway, yeah. I live to ride another day. I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye bye. Actually, you know what? Let's ride another block.